Conservative attorney and Kellyanne Conway's ex-husband, George Conway, told CNN that he believes former President Donald Trump won't be successful if he appeals the Colorado Supreme Court decision disqualifying him from appearing on the state's ballot. He lost, it's over, Conway, a prominent Trump critic, said during a panel on CNN on Wednesday, December 20th, adding, he's done in Colorado courts. He's got no further avenue to review for those state law issues that the dissents raised. The attorney initially thought the 14th Amendment argument for pinning Trump was too good to be true, but he quickly changed his tone after Colorado's Supreme Court ruling. There's going to be something that comes up, and right now there's nothing, Conway said. And that the U.S. Supreme Court, if they're going to reverse, they got to come up with something better. When CNN panelist and senior Supreme Court analyst noted that dissents to the ruling went after the state law issues much more than the fundamental ones, Conway agreed. That doesn't help Donald Trump in the Supreme Court because the Supreme Court of the United States has no business countering what state courts say about state law, Conway replied. The last word on issues of state law is a state Supreme Court. As OK previously reported, on Tuesday, December 19th, the court, by a narrow margin of 4-3, ruled that Trump violated the 14th Amendment with his actions and will no longer appear on the presidential ballot in the state. Trump, as soon as the decision was released, took to Truth Social to voice his concern, quoting Fox News host Laura Ingraham, writing, "Tonight, America is seeing the ultimate in election interference. Democrats in Colorado are so afraid of allowing American voters to vote and pick the next president they are willing to do extrajudicial things in order to thwart the people's choice from being on the ballot," the clip continued. To them, preserving democracy requires destroying democracy. According to the initial report, the landmark ruling holds Trump accountable for trying to overturn the 2020 election and provides a political punishment for his anti-democratic behavior. The ruling is also a massive vindication for the liberal groups and constitutional scholars of all stripes who champion such 14th Amendment lawsuits, despite their long odds. Trump and his campaign announced that they would take the decision all the way to the U.S. Supreme Court, where Republicans have a 6-3 majority, with 3 of the court's justices being handpicked by Trump himself during his term in office.